Hello again, because the last class couldn't be recorded due to a technical glitch. I have to launch another lesson. One moment. I will allow the speakers, the speaker access. Okay, the recorder is being prepared. I hope I can see myself, right? And the flower is in my window, as you can see them. The mic is on, the camera is on, the timer, only 28 seconds have passed. I can extend this session, or I can end this session, but I won't. Then I have a polling, I won't. A layout change. The screen sharing, I can do that now because I have the extension already added. Right. The people attending, 0. I am the presenter. Here we have the notifications, no messages. Let's see if I can write under the class conversation, but I can't so far.